Have you seen the video of this getting pulled together? Well, today we're doing a different gun than this one.
Two, actually. And I'm Ruben behind the camera.
If you haven't seen the other video, you know he's Ruben.
It's not from Aldi. We just need this bag.
You know I'm Eli. Okay.
First gun.
We have a minigun that shoots AB bullets like this.
Not AB, they're elite.
You can see this is from Nerf.
That's the elite, little elite sign.
This bit on that gun on the top because it's got that bit. Okay, so do you want to see how the thing works? You've got 6 bullets in the gun. You would just plop them in, and you would aim like this.
Okay, and
let's move on.
You've seen that little orange bit? To show you how to pull the barrel out.
Oh, if you see that little orange bit, you would press it and push it, and that would happen.
To reload your darts. Next gun.
This one's a mega gun.
Ooh, what is it?
An
ice gun. It's of the ice series.
Yeah.
A mega ice series gun. Wow.
Do you want to shoot it for you?
Nailed it.
If you want to put your bullets back in, you would do that, and that would chop, and you would just put your bullets
It says 3 mega bullets.
and then you would shot it, and then you would shoot.
But this only, we only have 1 bullet in it right now.
Yeah. And we would put it in like that, and then we would shot it. And you would shoot it like, if you wanted to do it hard, you landed over there. Okay. See you guys next time. Bye.
And please subscribe and leave a like.
Bye.